In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch sessions in a Coursera course. Let's walk through this together so you can move to a new course schedule without any confusion. First, sign into your Coursera account and head to your My Courses page. This is where you'll see everything you're currently enrolled in. Find the specific course you want to switch sessions for. It helps to click into the course so you're on its main page. Once you're inside the course, look for an option labeled Switch Session or Change Session. This option is commonly placed in the Overview area where you see the course summary and deadlines, or in the Grades tab where your progress is displayed. The exact location can vary by course, but those two spots are the most reliable places to check. If you don't see a Switch Session button, don't worry. On many Coursera courses, that option appears only after the official end date of your current session has passed. In other words, if your still within the active dates of your session, the button may not show up yet. In that case, wait until your current session's end date, then return to the course and check again. This timing requirement is normal and helps Coursera keep your progress aligned with the correct schedule. When the switch session option is available, click it and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to confirm the new session you want to join. Review the start and end dates carefully so you pick a schedule that fits your availability. The prompts may also summarize how your deadlines will update. Read any notes or confirmations presented to you. These can include details about what carries over and what resets. After you confirm, give the page a moment to refresh. You should now be in the new session for that course. Take a quick look at the Overview or Grades tab again to make sure your deadlines and session information reflect the change. If you keep multiple courses, it's a good idea to glance at your My Courses page to verify everything looks right. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Switching sessions is meant to give you more time or a better schedule, so plan your study pace around the new dates. If you are tracking progress or setting reminders, update those to match your new timeline. And if you're close to a major deadline or exam, double-check the new session calendar so nothing catches you off guard. That's all you need to do. You've successfully switched sessions and can continue learning on a timeline that works for you.